welcome to our channel. Friends, today we will see MCQs on Code of Civil Procedure means CPC. Friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So friends, we will see MCQ of CPC with answer. Question number 1. The court to amend a decree is the court that pass it where an appeal is preferred from a decree of a court of first instance, the appellate court may. Answer is option number C, either A or B, means option A, dismiss the appeal under Order 41, Rule 11, Sub Rule 1 without issuing any notice to the respondents. Option B, confirm, reverse or vary the decree of the court of first instance. Order 41, Rule 32. Question number 2. Which of the following deals with the statement and production of evidence in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number C. Order 18, Rule 2. Question number 3. Which of the following deals with the right to challenge non-appealable orders in appeal against decrees in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number A. Order 43, Rule 1A. Question number 4. In order for that a decision in a former suit may operate as res judicata, the court which may decide that suit must have been. Answer is option number D. All of these, means option first, a civil court of competent jurisdiction. Option second, a court of exclusive jurisdiction. Option third, a court of concurrent jurisdiction competent to try the subsequent suit. Option 4, a court of limited jurisdiction competent to try the issue raised in the subsequent suit. All of these. Question number 5. In transaction for transfer or delivery of the property attached, where the contract is executed and registered before attachment, the mischief of subsection 1 shall not apply. However, in which of the following situation it applies? Answer is option number C, both option A and option B, means option A, where the property is transferred and registered after attachment. Option B, where the property is transferred before attachment but registration takes place after the attachment. Question number 6. Which of the following deals with the time for inspection when notice given in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number D. Order 11, Rule 17. Question number 7. Which of the following tests are to be applied in cases where the plea of bar of the suit under Order 2, Rule 2 is raised? Answer is option number D. All of these, means option A, whether the cause of action in the previous suit and that in the subsequent suit are identical. Option B, whether the relief claim in the subsequent suit could have been given in the previous suit on the basis of the pleadings filed in that suit. Option C, whether the plaintiff omitted to sue for a particular relief on the cause of action which had been disclosed in the previous suit. All of these. Question number 8. An order under Order 33, Rule 11, directing the pauper plaintiff to pay the court fees can only be made in which of the following cases? Answer is option number D. All of these, means option first, where the plaintiff fails in the suit. Option second, where the plaintiff is dispaupered under Rule 9. Option third, where the suit is withdrawn. Option fourth, where the suit is dismissed under the circumstances specified in Clause A or Clause B. All of these. Question number 9. The words "it appears to the central government, which is the consenting authority," makes it clear that Answer is option number B. The decision granting the consent is final. Question number 10. The word resides used in section 19 of the Code of Civil Procedure means. Answer is option number A. Natural persons. Question number 11. Issues B for a declaration of title to land and obtains a decree. A then sues C for possession. C contained that B is a owner and that he is in possession as B's tenant. Answer is option number B. The defense is barred. Question number 12. A decree in a suit against certain members of a sect alleged to be wrongdoers in their individual capacity cannot operate as res judicata in a subsequent suit against the other members of the sect. The wrong complaint of in the former suit was that the defendant carried an idol in procession through certain streets and that such processions were in violation of plaintiff's right. Answer is option number C. Both option A and option B means option A. The suit was against the defendant in their individual capacity and not as representing the sect to which they belong. Option B. The suit was not as representing the sect to which the defendants belong. Both option A and B. Question number 13. A sues B to recover one of two properties left by C on the ground that he and not B is his heir. Thereafter, he applies to amend his plaint for including the second property left out in the plaint as original field. B opposes the application for amendment which is disallowed by the court. A suit by A against B to recover the second property as heir of C would be barred under Rule 2. Answer is option number C. Both option A and option B means option A on the ground that A is to be taken to have omitted to sue for it in the first suit. Option B. He made an attempt to include it in that suit which was filed by the opposition of B. Both option A and B. Question number 14. Where certain properties have been ordered to be partitioned by a decree in an earlier suit, but possession has not yet been delivered and is not argued that the earlier decree had become unenforceable. Answer is option number B. A fresh suit cannot be brought for partition of those properties on the ground that the earlier decree has not been enforced. Question number 15. X sues A and B on a promissory note executed by A. B is A's nephew and he is joined as a dependent on the ground that A and B are members of the joint Hindu family and that the note was for a debt binding on the family. None of the dependent appears at the hearing and ex parte decree is passed against both the dependent. Answer is option number B. The decree against B must be set aside. Question number 16. A sues B for recovery of possession of certain immovable property. The defense is that B is the full owner of the property. Pending the suit, B is adjudged insolvent and his estate rests in the official assignee because the order of adjudication operates. Answer is option number A. As a statutory transfer of the interest of the insolvent in the subject matter of the suit to the official assignee. Question number 17. Bar to further suit is dealt under which of the following in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number D. Section 12. Question number 18. Which of the following deals with the transfer of decree in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number C. Section 39. Question number 19. Which of the following has been repealed by Section 7 of the Code of Civil Procedure Amendment Act 66 of 1956 in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number D. All of them, means first section 68, second section 69, third section 70, fourth section 71, fifth section 72, all of them. Question number 20. No order under section 47 to be refused or modified unless decision of the case is prejudicially affected under which of the following in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number C. Section 99A. Question number 21. Which of the following deals with matters for which rules may provide in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number C. Section 128. Question number 22. Which of the following section of Code of Civil Procedure has been repealed by the Repealing and Amending Act 1952? Answer is option number B. Section 154. Question number 23. Which of the following deals with the copy of plaint annexed to summons in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number A. Order 5, Rule 2. Question number 24. Which of the following deals with where the subject matter of the suit is immovable property in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number C. Order 7, Rule 3. Question number 25. Which of the following deals with the procedure when party fails to present written statement called for by court in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number B. Order 8, Rule 10. Question number 26. Which of the following deals with the order of inspection in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number A. Order 11, Rule 18. Question number 27. Which of the following deals with power to order any point to be proved by affidavit in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number C. Order 19, Rule 1. Question number 28. Which of the following deals with the inquiry as to whether applicant is an indigent person in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number A. Order 44, Rule 3. Question number 29. Which of the following are the principal rules as to concurrent jurisdiction? Answer is option number D. All of these, means first, concurrent as to pecuniary limit and the subject matter. Option second, competency of the former court to be determined as on the date of the former suit and not as on the date of the subsequent suit. Option third, competency of the trial court determination. Option 4, competence of court when there is a court with preferential jurisdiction. Option 5, both the suits are in revenue court but appeals lie to different authorities. All of these. Question number 30. In which of the following ways section 73 differs from the corresponding section 295 of the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number D. All of these, means option first, the words where assets are held by a court have been substituted for words whenever assets are realized by sale or otherwise in execution of a decree. Option second, the words before the receipt of such assets have been substituted for the words prior to the realization. Option third, the words by which such assets are held are omitted after the words made application to the court. Option 4, the word pass has been added after the word money. Option 5, the word interest in clause B have been substituted for the words right against to bring the wording of that clause into line with the Transfer of Property Act. This is a mere verbal alteration. All of these. Question number 31. If a right or liability is created by statute Which of the following situation may arise? Answer is option number C. Both option A and option B. Means option A, the statute may create a specific forum for its enforcement. Option B, if no machinery is provided for enforcement, civil court can entertain the suits beside the suit of which cognizance is expressly barred. Both option A and B. Question number 32. Order 5, Rule 26. Provide the summons to be served. Answer is option number D. All of these. Means option A, by sending it to the political agent appointed by the central government in exercise of its foreign jurisdiction. Option B, through a court established or continued with power to serve a summon issued under the code. Option C, through a code declared by the notification issued by the central government situated in such foreign territory to be one service by which would be deemed to be valid where there is no such code. Option D, all of these. Question number 33. Which of the following are the essential requirement of a tip? Answer is option number D, all of these. Means option A, an ascertainable or readily calculable amount. Option B, an absolute, unqualified and present liability in regard to that amount with the obligation to pay forthwith or in future within time. Option C, that the obligation must have accrued and must be subsisting and should not be that which are accruing. Answer is all of these. Question number 34. The words any court exercising original jurisdiction under section 96 of the Code of Civil Procedure has to be read to mean that. Answer is option number C. If the original jurisdiction has been exercised by any court, the decree passed shall be deemed to be a decree by a court exercising original jurisdiction. Question number 35. The word prescribed used in section 107 of the Code of Civil Procedure means. Answer is option number C. Both option A and option B. Means option A, the rules contain first schedule. Option B, the rules under section 122 and section 125 of Code of Civil Procedure. Means answer is both option A and option B. Question number 36. The object of discovery is. Answer is option number D, all of these. Means option A, to elicit admissions. Option B, to obviate the necessity to produce lengthy evidence. Option C, to expedite disposal. All of these. Question number 37. Validity of a foreign judgment can be challenged under section 13 of CPC. Answer is option number A, in a civil court only. Question number 38. Where a promissory note is payable by installments and two or more installments have become due and the holder of the note sues only for one of the installments and omits to sue for the other installments. Answer is option number B. He cannot afterwards sue for these installments. Question number 39. The assignee of the holder of a life estate sued for declaration of title and injunction immediately after the death of the life estate holder. The suit for declaration of title was decreed, but the suit for injunction was dismissed after the holding that the possession was with the dependents only. Subsequently, the assignee of the life estate filed a suit for possession on the strength of the title. The bar of Order 2, Rule 2 was raised by the dependent. Answer is option number C. Both A and B. Means option A, the bar under Order 2, Rule 2 is not applicable to the subsequent suit. Option B, in the first suit, plaintiffs could not claim the recovery of possession as they had sought only an injunction, claiming themselves to be in possession. Answer is option A and B. Question number 40. A suit to recover a house from B and certain lands from C. The suit was decreed ex parte against both defendants. B applied to set aside the ex parte decree and having settled the dispute with A applied to withdraw his petition. C then applied to be transposed as petitioner. Answer is option number A. C should have filed his own petition to set aside the ex parte decree. Question number 41. A, B, C and D and E are jointly and severally liable for rupees 1000 under a decree obtained by F. A obtains a decree for rupees 100 against F singly and applies for execution to the court in which the joint decree is being executed. Answer is option number A. F may treat his joint decree as a cross decree. Order 21, Rule 18. Question number 42. In a case, A applies for a leave to sue as a pauper on the day fixed for the hearing of the application. A, alleging that he has succeeded in negotiating a loan for the payment of the court fees, pays the necessary court fees. Answer is option number C, both option A and option B. Option A, the application is thereupon numbered and registered as a plaint. Option B, the application for leave to sue as a pauper having been made in good faith and not on the day on which the court fees were paid. Answer is option both A and B. Question number 43. Which of the following deals with the power of Supreme Court to transfer suit, etc. in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number C, section 25. Question number 44. Which of the deals with enforcement of decree against legal representative in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number B, section 52. Question number 45. Which of the following deals with suits against foreign rulers, ambassadors and envoys in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number B, section 86. Question number 46. Which of the following deals with appeals to federal court in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number B, section 111A. Question number 47. Miscellaneous proceedings are dealt under which of the following in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number D, section 141. Question number 48. Which of the following deals with conduct of suit in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number A, Order 1, Rule 11. Question number 49. Which of the following deals with simultaneous issue of summons for service by post in addition to personal service in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number D, Order 5, Rule 19A. Question number 50. Which of the following deals with the written statement in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number A, Order 8, Rule 1. Question number 51. No decree to be set aside without notice to opposite party under which of in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number D, Order 9, Rule 14. Question number 52. Original documents to be produced at or before the settlement of issues under which of the following in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number A, Order 13, Rule 1. Question number 53. Which of the following deals with officers, soldiers, sailors or airmen cannot obtain leave, may authorize any person to sue or defend for them in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number B, Order 28, Rule 1. Question number 54. Which of the following instances of order or decree? Answer is option number D, all of these. Means option A, option first, an order rejecting an application for leave to sue in forma pauperis for no suits has till then been filed. Option second, an order refusing leave to institute for accounts of religious endowment. Option third, an order under the Indian Trust Act 1882 dismissing an application for the removal of trustee. Option 4, an order on a settlement case under section 104 subsection 2 of the Bengal Tenancy Act of 1898 as the proceeding is instituted not by a plaint but by an application. Option 5, an order made on an application to be to the district court under section 84 subsection 2 of the Madras Religious Endowment Act of 1927. All of these. Question number 55. Interest that may be awarded to a plaintiff in a suit for money according to the period for which it is allowed may be divided as. Answer is option number D, all of these. Means option A, interest accrued to the institution of the suit on the principal sum adjudged as distinguished from the principal sum claim. Option B, additional interest on the principal sum adjudged from the date of the suit to the date of decree at such rate as the court deems reasonable. Option C, further interest on the principal sum adjudged from the date of the decree to the date of the payment or to such earlier date as the court thinks fit at the rate not exceeding 6% per annum. So friends, answer is all of these. So friends, these are MCQ of CPC. Thank you.